social environments or contexts, but it is somewhat, in my opinion, kind of it's a slope that we have to be mindful of, that we're not stereotyping families, we're not stereotyping particular type of parents and so forth, while at the same time trying to equip our social workers being able to go into certain types of home environments or working with certain families that may not be familiar with their own, and to do it in a way that's respectful, that's culturally humble and sensitive, and most importantly, strength-based and supportive of the child and the family in that home. I don't know if that answers the questions, but that's my one perspective.
Another quick question, because we only have a few minutes left, so presenters, we need to be brief so that we can get a few more questions in. For those of us with limited resources, is there any evidence that there's better learning outcomes with labs and props as opposed to just a role-play scenario?
Yes, go ahead, Robert.
I was just going to say, so previous research in other disciplines regarding simulations suggests that the simulations, as Harpmore suggested, need to be as realistic as they need to be in order for there to be opportunities for the skills and competencies that are intended to be exhibited in the simulation to be exhibited, right? So if a particular prop is necessary in order for the participant to exhibit the skill or competency, then it's necessary. If not, then it doesn't necessarily add qualitatively to the simulation. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you all a question, and the question is, which aspect of employing a simulation will be most challenging for your agency? So the options are developing a scenario, leadership buy-in, finding a location for the simulation lab, decorating the simulation with furniture and props, preparing your trainers to conduct simulations,